Sadhguru, a name that echoes across the globe as a spiritual leader, a yogi, and a preacher of inner transformation. Millions follow him, attend his programs, and believe in his wisdom. But what if the truth is far from what we see? A shocking investigative report has surfaced, unveiling dark secrets hidden behind the grand empire of Isha Foundation. From sexual exploitation to criminal conspiracies, the allegations are deeply disturbing. Is Sadhguru truly a spiritual master, or is there a sinister reality behind his empire? Stay with us as we uncover the shocking revelations in today's explosive report. A recent investigation published by the Guru, a well-known international website, has sent shockwaves across the spiritual world. This report, written by B. Scofield, an investigative journalist famous for exposing cult-like organizations, has revealed terrifying details about the inner workings of Sadhguru's empire. The journalist, who has worked on the HBO hit series Love Has Won and authored Search for Cults and Demons, has presented a detailed account of alleged crimes and misconduct happening within the Isha Foundation. One of the most horrifying allegations is related to sexual exploitation within the foundation's premises. A former teacher at Isha Foundation's school has claimed that during initiation ceremonies, young girls were allegedly asked to remain naked, and Sadhguru himself would touch their backs as part of the so-called rituals. Not just that, but several former female followers have accused him of coercing women into sexual activities and forcing them to remain naked during the special ceremonies. If true, these claims could expose a shocking side of the spiritual leader that has remained hidden for years. The report also makes an explosive claim that in 2010, Sadhguru allegedly attempted to orchestrate the murder of another controversial guru, Nityanand, according to two former devotees. Sadhguru recruited them specifically to carry out this mission. If this allegation holds any truth, it raises serious concern about the dark world of spiritual power struggles. But that's not all. The investigation has exposed several other disturbing aspects of the Isha Foundation's operations. Reports suggest that during initiation rituals, both male and female monks were allegedly forced to strip naked. Sadhguru reportedly justified this by claiming to be an enlightened guru fulfilling an ancient prophecy of becoming the world teacher. These revelations have sparked outrage among spiritual communities, raising serious ethical and legal questions. Apart from these shocking claims, Sadhguru's empire has also been accused of illegal land grabbing and environmental destruction. Activities allege that Isha Foundation acquired vast amounts of land without proper authorization, destroying forests and violating environmental regulations. While these accusations have been raised multiple times before, no strict action has been taken against the foundation so far. The allegations against Sadhguru have now gained international attention. Several renowned publications and experts have commented on the seriousness of these claims. Indian senior advocate Prashant Bhushan even tweeted about the investigation, calling it one of the most shocking exposes of spiritual cult. He further stated that even if 10% of these allegations are true, it demands a thorough investigation. However, despite repeated reports and public outrage, neither the Indian government nor law enforcement agencies have initiated a formal inquiry into these allegations. Sadhguru and his supporters, on the other hand, have outrightly denied all allegations, dismissing them as baseless attacks to tarnish his reputation. In the past, Sadhguru has openly challenged his critics to provide proof against him, arguing that such accusations are common against influential spiritual leaders. His followers strongly believe that these reports are nothing but an attempt to bring down a respected spiritual figure. With such serious allegations surfacing, the question arises, why has there been no legal action against Sadhguru? Are these claims mere propaganda, or is there a deeper conspiracy at play? If these accusations hold any truth, will justice ever be served, or will they be buried under power and influence? The world of spirituality is supposed to guide people towards enlightenment, peace, and inner strength. But when spiritual leaders face such grave allegations, it shakes the very foundation of faith. What do you think about these shocking claims against Sadhguru? Should there be an independent investigation, or are these just baseless accusations? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.